I did equals.
मैंने किया.
Fun Hindi past tense with do, make. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today your goal is simple. Nail Hindi past tense for do and make and laugh while you do it. Seatbelt on, chai optional. Your goal today. You'll learn to say who did it and who made it, clearly and confidently. Focus 1. Do, in the past. I, you, he, we did. Focus 2. Make, in the past. It, you all, they made. Bonus. The infinitive, to make, equals.
बनाना.
Mini forms. Fast mapping. Repeat after me, short, punchy, done. I did.
मैंने किया.
You did, sing.
तुमने किया.
He did.
उसने किया.
We did.
हमने किया.
It made.
इसने बनाया.
You, plural, made.
तुम सब ने बनाया.
They made.
उन्होंने बनाया.
To make, INF.
बनाना.
Funny dialogue. Time for a quick sketch. Listen for the target phrases and smile. You, who finished the report? Friend, relax.
मैंने किया.
I did it before lunch. You, wait, the spreadsheet? Friend, that one?
उसने किया.
He did it while humming the theme from Mission Possible. You, and the slide deck? Friend, team power.
हमने किया.
We did it together. You, okay, but who baked the cake? Toaster, dramatic beep.
इसने बनाया.
It made it. Technology is delicious. Coach enters, presentation visuals.
तुम सब ने बनाया.
You all made them. Crowd, and the awesome demo? Team chorus.
उन्होंने बनाया.
They made it overnight. You, whisper to self, note to self, learn.
बनाना.
So I can make chai next time. Echo drill. Say it out loud, your mouth is part of your memory. I cue, you echo. I did.
मैंने किया.
You did.
तुमने किया.
He did.
उसने किया.
We did.
हमने किया.
It made.
इसने बनाया.
You, plural, made.
तुम सब ने बनाया.
They made.
उन्होंने बनाया.
To make, INF.
बनाना.
Culture tip. The magic, nay. Tiny word, huge power, nay. In Hindi past perfective, the doer often takes nay. That's why you hear.
मैंने किया. तुमने किया. उसने किया. हमने किया.
And for make, forms like.
इसने बनाया. तुम सब ने बनाया. उन्होंने बनाया.
Keep, nay, keep calm, carry on. Quick quiz. Rapid fire, answer before the ding. Translate. We did it. Answer.
हमने किया.
Translate. You, plural, made it. Answer.
तुम सब ने बनाया.
Translate. He did the task. Answer.
उसने किया.
What's the infinitive, to make? Answer.
बनाना.
Translate. It made a map. Answer.
इसने नक्शा बनाया.
Challenge mode. Your turn, captain of verbs. Say 3 true sentences about your day using did, e.g., I did.
मैंने किया.
Praise your team. You all made the plan.
तुम सब ने बनाया.
Brag for your robot vacuum. It made the room clean.
इसने कमरा साफ बनाया.
Finish with a victory line. We did it.
हमने किया.
Goodbye and keep going. Nice work, your Hindi just leveled up. Thanks for listening. Practice these out loud today.
मैंने किया. तुमने किया. उसने किया. हमने किया. इसने बनाया. तुम सब ने बनाया. उन्होंने बनाया.
And
बनाना.
for more lessons, transcripts, and tools, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.